I've got the day off. I was meant to do some concreting today. The rain has hit this morning. It's all been cancelled. So I'm going to do a few bits of running around. I can't find those fittings, plus other fittings. I need that. So I'm going to take this to a nut and bolt shop. See how we go with that. And I need to... I've lowered the price on this again. $2,200. That's pretty cheap. All right, so I am going to measure. Doesn't look as good in the light. Oops, sorry. Doesn't look as good in this light. All right, I'm going to measure. Oh, it looks nice down there. 2 70mm hose clamps. We want about 1 metre. That's 1 metre of fuel line clamps. I have got in the cart a couple of... Why does it only say one thing? I don't know. So I've got a grill and some nuts and bolts. I'm thinking of just buying a kit anyway, so that I don't run out or lose shit. Was there anything else? Hi, sweetie. Let's go shopping. Not you, dog. Not you, darling. Stay there. So we got stylish cars, stylish rims, instant windscreens, body kits, glass, four-wheel drive centers, Honda, Yamaha. It's everything here, all in one place. So if you want anything in Brisbane, you come down to Moss Street. It's where it's all at. I'm heading to Autobahn. I used to go to the other Autobahn at McGregor, but the boys there have all gone and I don't like the service there anymore. So I am parking here and going to this Autobahn. When I was a young lad, I was doing up my Mazda and I used to live here almost, getting parts and getting upholstery done. Anyway, enough chit chat, let's head inside. Wallet would be good.
2 hours later.
Goodies, we have goodies, we have goodies. Again, I don't record when I'm in there. They've always got music blaring, so I can't play it on my channel. Anyway, they don't have the lights I want. I'm going to have to order them through eBay. So we've got heaps of degreaser, always handy. Bit of fuel line, bit of vacuum line. Let's go down to Toyota and see if they've got any of those mounting grommets for the airbox. Let's go. Okay, parts time.
Two hours later.
No one's got anything for it because the car's so old. There's no stock anywhere. It's all going to have to be eBay rubbish, unfortunately, which I'm not too keen on. I can't find those rubber mounts and the screws. So this is what I've gone and done. I have gone and bought a proper set of bolts and nuts that suit JDM or Japanese manufactured cars. So I should be able to sort a lot out of that. And let's go and look at some other things. I've lost 3 of these, but these are the grommets I have discovered at Bunnings. And I managed to grab some tubing off some Ramset bolts, and that will go into there like that and fit into the craw. This is the crab craw. So they do fit in there rather nicely. As you can see, that fits. I mean, that may work on its own. And then this here is just to support the bolt. As you can see, we've got some more stuff to unbox, so let's unbox it. Firstly, some new indicators. Now, I didn't really need them, but I've lost the rubbers, so there is meant to be a little tiny, like round piece of rubber, continuous rubber that sits inside here to give it waterproof seal. I've lost those on the truck when they were parked outside, so I bought these thinking I'll get the whole lot and it'll have the seal in it, and guess what? No seal, and it's missing a screw. Can't win, hey? So anyway, so that's that. This will look like... Ooh, can't get them out. Yeah, seal beams. No, they're meant to be semi-sealed. Oh, don't you tell me. I ordered semi-sealed. Yes, they are. Meaning I can take the back off and replace the bulb, and I've got, I'm going to go and get some LED bulbs for this because the bright lights are required. I don't like the old-fashioned dullness or the yellowness to them, so we've got 2 of those. Okay. Yes. Bumper ends, look. Cool, we have got 2 of those left and right. Let's see if they look the same. But see how we had all this damage, rusted away? That is, feel about the same. All right, let's open it right up. It's a little cheapish, but that's all I've got. It's got a slight bow in it here, which ain't great, but I'll try and bend that out a little bit. The steel plating I think is a bit thinner here than the OG. So I don't know if you know, but this is all rusted as well. That's the bumper. That's the main frame of the bumper. That's all eaten on the ends. So I do have a newbie up here, but it's chrome. I'm not going to keep the chrome, I don't think. Let me know, what do you think? Do we keep the chrome, guys and girls, or do we paint it up to look OG completely? Cool, bananas, done. Pillows, up, pillows. I'm excited. Pump for a windscreen washer. We want to try and save the planet, but look at all the crap we've... Oh, yep. Wash a bottle. And that's it. And it's raining again, very heavy. Before I open this, I'm going to see if it fits, because it's off a later model. The next model, it's meant to fit. It's meant to fit just here. Let's open up the door so I can see. Hello world. Like this. Yeah. Let's open it up. We shall make it work, I think. Right, let's see if the pump fits. Put the rubber on. That's it, and then we push this in. There we go. Done. Power on. Water out. The old rain is coming down on me. All right, let's not lose these, hey? You all saw me put them in there, okay? Might the black part. Come on, she's rusted. There's one out. That's a OG. Love to keep it, but I want to be able to see at night, or whoever buys the car want to be able to see at night. I'm going to try and clean this up. I'll put some Stilo and Resto on that, rust remover. Let's get the other side off. Oh, yeah. And try and just touch up the black here, maybe even the horn. Same on this side. Clean it at least, I think, degreaser. Let's do that. Getting better. Look at the colour on that. Well, look at that. On this. The hell is this bloody thing? Hey! What the hell are these things? What the hell is this? Hits on the lights. Well, they're going to get universally cut off. Okay, these are universal, apparently. But we've got these little tabs on each side of the headlight. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, you're meant to grind them down so then it fits in. So I just worked that out, but I just still didn't get it right. So they're going to do for now, I'm going to put them in. If you have a look, like, I'm not sure they're meant to do that. Anyway, let's put this one in. So this is the original bolt for the airbox, and it's quite long, and based on the colouring of the bolt, that rubber mount was fairly thick. It's probably about that thick, which is more than this, right? So if I put this through, I've got a fair whack of bolt coming through there, so this probably needed to be somewhere like that. I know this is not very interesting, but this is important. So what I'm going to do is double these up like I said. I'm going to cut this tube to suit. I've got this tube here. That's it, like that. Okay. This is me. Filter goes on here. Okay, that goes on. All right, something's missing. Found it. On. Let's have a look at the bay. I mean, there's still, I might have to do a bit of zip tying here. I don't really like all of the loose wires and things, but that's how the best it's going to get. Right, box is in. I made up my own rubber mounts. Got a couple of new bits of vacuum line. I bought some fuel line, but it's too big, so I'm going to have to replace that. What else? Yeah. Let's see if it fires up any better now that the airbox is on and all connected. There it goes. Alright, there's a couple of screws down here. I'm not really sure what each of them do. I know what the weathers do, but I'm not sure on the old downdrafts. So I'm going to turn it off. It's idling pretty nice now. There's a little dead patch. It sounds like it's pinging, so it could be running it a bit lean. I'll turn it off so you can hear me. I'm going to do some research on the Googles and see what we can come up with regards to tuning the carby. But it's pretty much done now. I've replaced a lot of those nuts with the new ones I just got in today's kit. Temperature is very stable. Airbox is finally all done, so we don't know how it was tuned. I'm not overly happy with the finish on that, but it'll do. It's been a lot of effort. Okay, and the headlights are in. I'm not overly happy with those either. They're universal fit, so I fudged them up a little to get them in there. We'll see how they go. That one's pretty solid, but that's pretty shit. All right, guys and girls, that's it for another episode. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for sticking with me through the Hilux and Ingy Nugget journey. It is a bit of a process. It's getting long in the tooth. But trust me, stick with me. There is a lot more happening. I've still got the motor dealer license coming through. I've just about done that. There's a bit of police checking and formalities to go through and some costs. But there are other things in the pipeline and things in my brain. Anyway, stay tuned. Love yous and leave yous. Have a good weekend, whatever you're doing, wherever you are, and ciao.